honestly, when these sneakers showed up at my doorstep, I said, what did I buy? I didn't expect a Dunk to come in this box. Then I read the code and it said Nike Dunk High. I said, okay, these are the Fragment joints. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Today we are going to review the Fragment Dunk Highs. Now, real quick, y'all know I'm always gonna keep it honest with y'all. I wasn't really feeling it, but I passed on the last 2 to 3 Fragment collabs, and I said, you know what? Let me get one in hand to see what's the hype about. Even though I feel like the hype is dying, we'll get to that a little later in the video. But being that they were purple and black, Laker fan, I own a whole bunch of Lakers stuff. I said, let me check them out, man. And I'm not gonna lie, or first just feel, look, the material is plush, man. So I mean, if you've been collecting sneakers for a while, you already know what the Fragment brand brings. They the iconic Jordan 1 fragments that I happen to pass up on All-Star Weekend in my city, in New York. I passed up on the Fragment 1s for these. The Dawn C Jordan 2s. Now, at that time, probably wasn't a bad choice. Dawn C was fresh, new, he was killing it, Kanye's best friend, all kind of stuff. I mean, I like the sneaker, but I should have got the Fragments too. So this is the second collab this year. If I remember right, them Jordan 3s did come out this year. Might have came out late last year, I can't really remember. But I passed on those because I just felt like they were a black and white shoe, and I got tons of just black and white shoes. Then they restocked on in clothing, and I could have brought them again, and people were complaining how the back tab is yellowing. So I just said, let me just leave that sneaker where it's at. But these, I had to cop. Purple, like I told y'all, Laker fan. I wanted to put some Fragments in my collection. So let's get into the review. Unboxing time. Boom. So like I told y'all in the beginning of the video, it comes in your regular, like a Nike Air Max box. Not like your regular Dunk box, as you got the colorful Lifesaver one that's more for quick strike, and then, you know, you got your special editions. I don't know if y'all can see up there, I got the Turkadon joints, and then the crawfish joints, you know, things of that nature. It's just in a regular Nike Air Max type box without the pull-up tab. No special paper. None of that sort. And the color reads wine, black, and white. Wine, black, and white. Boom. Here's your Nike Dunk High Fragment joints. So like I told y'all, the material, look at that bounce back. It's like a soft couch, man. I can't lie to y'all about that. The material is just what you thought Fragment would give you, very soft. As far as the sneaker is basically basic to me, and I feel like that's the way Fragment been going lately, because they know once they add that lightning bolt right there, they logo, people are gonna go crazy. And that hasn't been what's been happening lately. So as you look at the bottom here, you have some writing. Let's try to get that to focus in. There we go. It says Nike Dunk High Fragment Design. With a whole bunch of, I guess that's the patenting. It's very clever to do. I mean, it really doesn't do nothing for me as far as the design, but that's clever to do. So your inside Has that wine purple look with a black leather swoosh. As I told y'all, the leather on this is good leather. It's not no BS leather. It's just what you would think Fragment would give you. Again, the toe box is also in that wine purple. It has that bounce back, as y'all can see there. Yeah, man, it's a basic shoe. Not really too much to talk about here. Now, as far as the hype dying, I'm like 80% hype beast. But I don't really care about hype. When I like a sneaker, I like a sneaker. This sneaker here is basic. 2 colors, 1 set of shoestrings. They didn't even give us extra shoestrings. But it works for me. It's the purple and black. You know what I mean? If it was white and black, probably wouldn't work for me. But the purple makes it work for me. As far as people down in Fragment saying the hype is dead, okay. When them Travis Scott Fragments come out end of this month or early next month, have that same energy, man. Keep that same energy so I could be able to get 2, 3 pairs. 1 to rock, 1 to cop, 1 to stop, whatever they say. So just keep that same energy so I'll be able to put 3 pairs in my collection. Sometimes people are looking for resale value to control hype value, and that's the problem. I got these from GOAT the day they released. I didn't win on Sneakers app. I don't think I won on Sneakers app in maybe 3 months now. It's wild. But ain't nothing gonna stop me from getting the sneaker I want. I brought these from GOAT because my GOAT credit right now is crazy. And I paid, I think, $220. Retail on these is what, $150? So I paid $70 over retail. I do see prices dropping a little. I seen a pair for $206 or $202. So if you want them, I would say wait a couple of days. You might get them at a $190 price tag. But I like the sneaker, man. Dope is like, you know, all you can ask for is great quality, and you get great quality. One sneaker you can compare this to is Jordan 1 Core Purple 1.0s. As Dunks, highs, and Jordan 1s always had like similarities to them. The purples are off. As you can see, this is more of a wine purple as you see it compared to the Jordan 1 purple. This is purple. That is more of a darker burnt purple. Example, wine. This is a quick review on the Nike Dunk Fragments. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich.